Today we will be discussing how to convert a standard recipe into a versatile formula. It may sound intimidating, but it is done simply by calculating a weight percentage for each raw material. Before converting to formula, you must have your recipe written in weight measurements, and you must also know your product's standard batch weight.
Calculating formula percentages provides an easy foundation for calculating ingredient statements, percent daily value, scaling up batch sizes, and product consistency. While doing so, it saves your business and developers time and money by eliminating the need for multiple trial and errors. For tips on writing recipes in weight, check out our previous video.
The standard recipe weight, which is the weight of one batch of the original standard recipe, must be determined as well. To calculate the standard batch weight, add together the weights of each raw material from the standard recipe. For this example, the standard batch weight is calculated to be 286.1 grams. Now we are ready to calculate the raw material weight percentages. To calculate weight percentages, a ratio is first calculated by dividing the standard raw material weight by the standard batch weight. Once the ratio is calculated, it is multiplied by 100% to achieve the percent weight for the new formula. Let's calculate ratios and percentages together. In this example, the hypothetical recipe has 4 ingredients and the standard batch weight is 286.1 grams. For the weight percentage of flour, 125.49, which is the standard raw material weight, is divided by 286.1. The ratio is calculated to be 0.4386, which is then multiplied by 100%. The weight percentage of flour in this recipe was calculated to be 43.86%. For your practice, pause this video and calculate the weight percentages for sugar, butter, and vanilla extract in this recipe.
Shown here are the necessary steps that were taken to calculate the weight percentages mathematically. Please keep in mind that the weight percentages can also be calculated using other tools or programs such as Excel.
Once you have calculated your formula in weight percentages, it may be helpful to construct a table like the one shown here. Tables organize the data and arrange it in a way suitable for future calculations. It may also be helpful to include a batch total in your table, which ensures that your raw material quantities are correct for the desired batch size, as well as ensuring the weight percentages that were calculated add together to be 100%.
In this video, we discussed the calculations necessary to convert a recipe into a versatile percentage formula. We also learned why it was important to do so, as it increases efficiency in the development of your product. Thanks for watching our video today, and good luck with your recipe conversion.